This is C.1.7 Part 2, State the Properties and Uses of Steel. Now this is Part 2 because Part 1 was State the Properties and Uses of Iron. Now iron is then used to make steel, and most of our metals that involve iron are actually alloys like steel. So if we just quickly go back to review, iron is magnetic, it's shiny, it's soft but strong, it's malleable, it's ductile, and it can rust. And again, all of the black ones are physical properties, and the orange one is a chemical property. And pure iron is used in tin cans, gates, bridges, and the Haber process, which will be looked at later, in producing ammonia for fertilizers. Now let's look at steel. So this is an alloy of iron. So the properties are it can be magnetic or non-magnetic. So stainless steel, like you'll find in your dinnerware now or some of your kitchenware, that will be stainless steel. You can't stick a magnet to that, but a lot of carbon steel is. So that's the first comparison that you can draw to the original iron, which is always, of course, magnetic. The different amount of shine, so the stainless steel is shinier than iron. It's stronger than pure iron. Again, we can take a look at this being an alloy and introducing the grains. It's malleable, but less so than pure iron. It's ductile, but less so than pure iron. It has a lower melting point than pure iron. And it has a lower ability to conduct heat or electricity than pure iron. Most steels can rust, but stainless steel does not. Now, just to quickly reiterate what steel is made of iron with carbon mixed in, and so they are actually an interstitial alloy. The carbon is stuck in between. So what do we use this for? Well, car parts, nails, our building materials are all carbon-based steels. Stainless steels are a little bit different. We don't always use carbon. We use chromium or nickel with the iron, and then that will allow us to make something that does not rust. So kitchen utensils and appliances, and they also look shinier as a result. So those are the main places we see steel, and then you can see how that's a little bit different than the properties and uses of the original iron. So together, those two videos cover C.1.7.